Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good for you, whatever. Today we are going to open the Samsung SHERO 43-inch 4K QLED 2022. So let's go, bro.
I think this
Wait.
one here.
Yes, press. Press.
Pinning now.
Yeah. So it will be like that.
How can we?
Just 1 minute, I'll come. Yeah, so that's how it comes in the box. This will be the stand, and so you just have to remove this. This is where the HDMI goes. How many HDMIs? 4 and 2 USBs. This is where the stand comes. Yeah, let's install it now. This will be the stand. Yeah, so this will be the stand. So you install the stand here, just like this, just like that. So that's how the stand enters. So we are going to tie the stand to screw it. No, inside, you can put inside. For once, I'll show you. This is the hook. You just enter the hook like that, colors. Then screw it. You should subscribe.
We will subscribe. Just screw it.
That's it. So after screwing the stand, means everything's done.
You will put here.
That's the cable. That's for the cable management. And we are done right now with installation of the wire, so we'll put it in place.
For the setup.
Yeah. Skip. No, it's going to ask you for wires. Just go back. No broadcast.
This one?
The last one. So, ladies and gentlemen, and here starts the SHERO. So ladies and gentlemen, you have to remove the covers, like it comes with the stepped. So if you're doing the installation, you have to remove this, otherwise the screen will not rotate. If you forget this, the screen is not gonna rotate. Alas. And there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the SHERO 2022. You have to. It's in the bag.